A reel lives or dies on its voice. The kit gives you two ways to narrate, one completely free and one studio grade. Let me open the voice section and show both. Here is the voice section. The choice at the top decides who reads your narration. On the left, Kokoro. On the right, ElevenLabs. You can switch any time and re-render. Kokoro runs locally on your own machine and costs nothing, 0 per month. It ships with a set of built-in voices and you can preview any of them right here before you commit. For most reels, this is more than good enough. ElevenLabs is the studio option. It is cloud-based, it needs the key we set up in tutorial 1, and a starter plan runs about $5 a month. You paste a voice ID here, and with a cloned voice, the reels can speak in your own voice. So it is a simple trade, free and local with Kokoro or paid and cloned with ElevenLabs. Both plug into the exact same scenario. Nothing else in your setup changes. That is the voice. In the next tutorial, I add an optional music bed under the narration for the posts that need a bit more mood.